Make sure the eyes are straight. It feels pretty good, and this is more of a pond travel rod. Let's say you shove your rod tip into the ceiling fan. They send you another top piece. Like, bro. And also where you put your lure right here, it flips up.
I did not know that.
You didn't know that?
No.
Yeah, see how cool that is? I can do this all day, and it ain't going nowhere. Let's check the rod tip out. You kind of hit it on the ground a little bit. Perfectly fine, dude. When you're done fishing, pop it off. It even comes with little rod things so you can hook it all together and it'll stay nice and neat. Okay, enough talking about rods. Let's get to fishing. So we're gonna head to the pond. But before we get to the pond, let's get a little montage. Hey guys. Welcome back to my new YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to the Pocket Swim Shed. I'm gonna be fishing with chatterbait. Once Ransom catches a fish on the new rod and reel setup, we're gonna be trading off. Let's go, Ransom.
Hey, did you set the brakes on this?
Yes.
Why?
Fish right there, I'm gonna fish with the boat dog.
All right. No, I do like this rod. Just about had one. I just want to catch a fish, see how it fights. Go on. It's a monster.
Hold up. Get out. Get out.
Thank you, CC. Another monster.
Oh my gosh, look at my feet, dude.
But okay, that's a monster.
Oh, this has gotta be like a 4-pounder. Check it out, dude. That's a big fish on that rod. How'd it handle? Pretty good?
I might have straight up caught my PB.
Let me get him.
Get him?
Yep. Ransom, how did you do that?
That's probably my PB.
You're excited, aren't you? All right, let's get that right there. Let it down easy, gentle. Hold on. No, it's not your PB. It's PB on camera. 3.88. Well, that thing is a Mars Media 5-pounder. Let me get a picture. Hold it up. Jeez. All right, go release him by the boat dog.
This is a big bass.